check this out, guys. There's a secret compartment. That gives you access to the oil. Now, even cooler, look at this. This car has door windows. Look at this. Right, check this out. How crazy is that? All right, now around the back. This is the McLaren Senna, you guys. This wing can take 100 times its own weight. And I love how everything is exposed. You can see straight through. Now, jump in the driver's seat with me. You've got this badge here that indicates what number Senna you have out of 500. This is number 112. This is a $1.2 million car. Right. As you move, usually this would stay, but it comes with you, which is super cool. All right. This is where you start the car, and this is where you open it with this lever here on the roof. But if that fails you, you've got a manual open here. Now, let me show you something super cool. Turn her on. Watch this. You got a tiny window. It's so small. Now, check this out. You press this, and then you press this, race mode. And it goes in, look at this, it's counting into race mode, like a computer game. You wait until it's 100% complete, the car lowers, and then you're ready for the track. You cannot actually use this legally on the road. So, back to normal mode for a drive.